Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Salo here with rhinestoneworld.com, and this is Ask Matt Season 2, episode 277. And in today's episode, I don't know how these are going to work. I hope they're going to work good. I saw them online. They weren't that expensive, so I'm going to give it a try, and I'll let you guys know if they work. So I got these daylight white LED strip lights, okay? So this is actually 16 feet of lighting. It's got an adhesive on it. It's real thin. And I'm gonna put it up under my area here, probably under this as well. And then on the back side here, I'm gonna have it shoot up to hopefully light up all of the different rhinestone designs and rhinestone projects that I have up here. Hopefully it'll look pretty sweet, but the main goal is just to give my workspace here some more light so I can see better when I'm doing different lives and you guys can see better. So I'm gonna try this, but I'll show you kind of what it looks like here. This is the actual strip lighting. So you'll see there's 3M tape on the back of it, and it's just a strip lighting that's gonna go 16 feet long. I'm gonna wrap it around, and we're gonna see how cool this looks. It might look bad, it might look awesome, but I'm gonna waste some money instead of you guys. So let's check it out. All right, crew, there's two strips right there. You can see how much better you guys are gonna be able to see in the lives now with my workspace down here, because it was so dark because of this. So if you look up underneath here, you can see the strip going there. I attached the two powers over here, so I can just turn one of them on, turn them both on. What's cool is you can also dim it. So if you don't want it nearly as bright, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different settings. So if I want it dim, if I want the top area dim, I can just accent a little bit of lighting up there. That's pretty sweet. Man, I'm pumped about these things. Way better than I honestly thought they were gonna be. So I'm probably gonna get another one that I'm gonna go pointing down to highlight the Cricut and the Cameo and the Cameo 4 and stuff as well. So pretty impressed, pretty happy with them. And 16 feet per, okay, you can get a 32-foot one as well, but you basically need the power on cord for each of them as well. And I didn't want any light going up along the sides right there. So I got two of them. They were 16 feet each. I got a little bit of extra area here that I can use, so you can attach them. And I just cut it right there where it ended. All right, and then you can attach them back to attach more onto it as well, which is pretty cool. But I want to say $18, I think, for an entire strip, which is pretty freaking awesome. And this is the after here. So much more lighting, highlighting all of my projects up there, which looks pretty awesome. Accenting all the stones because it is the LED lights, so it'll just add to the stones. And then my workspace underneath here, I got another table going in here probably this week, and it's gonna be sweet. All right, so comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this LED strip lighting. My opinion, pretty awesome. You can see the top area there the way it is. I just threw it along the top there, and then underneath here, all the way down, just a 3M adhesive on the back to make it super easy to stick. This is it right here. I'll put it in the products we love on the website to let you guys know exactly which ones. I did get some other ones last week, and they weren't nearly as good, kind of like the whole light board thing, right? Where I went through about 3 or 4 light boards, and none of them were good until I found this good one that I put on the products we love. Same thing, I tried a different strip last week, wasn't bright enough, I returned it. So these, much better. Happy with these right here. So I'll put the link below in the description right here as well to the actual light strip, but it's also on the products we love on the website. So appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Maybe you have a storefront, maybe you're trying to accent stuff for images, maybe you just want a better display, maybe you want to use it in your kitchen for some lighting underneath your cabinets or shooting up into the ceiling. Oh, man, so many things you could use it for. And they even have some really cool ones where you can change the colors and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you and your business out. If so, make sure to click that like button, comment below, let me know what you think about this and you think it makes everything pop more and you can see easier on my workstation down here. And of course, click that subscribe button, the little bell right next to it so you get the notifications. Thanks for watching, crew, and we will see you soon. Later.